Have you ever wondered what the consequences of using sexual lubricants might be? It's a question that often goes unasked, yet it's essential to consider. We're about to explore the underbelly of a topic rarely discussed, the potential side effects of products we use in our intimate lives. We'll be shedding light on 5 specific side effects that may come as a surprise. Knowledge is power, after all, so let's delve into these side effects, shall we? First up, allergic reactions. Not as uncommon as you might think. Some lubricants carry ingredients that, while safe for many, may trigger allergic reactions in others. Renowned sexual health experts highlight the potential for contact dermatitis, a skin condition that can result in itching, redness, and even blisters. Dermatologists concur, pointing to ingredients like glycerin, parabens, and propylene glycol as possible allergens. These substances, often used to enhance the feel or longevity of a lubricant, can in some cases lead to an adverse reaction. Even natural ingredients aren't off the hook. For instance, some people can have an allergic reaction to aloe vera, a popular component in organic lubricants. So, what's the solution? Well, if you've experienced discomfort after using a lubricant, it may be worthwhile to consult a healthcare provider. They can help determine if an allergy is at play and guide you towards suitable alternatives. So it's clear that allergy tests could be a vital step before using a new lubricant. Next, we have infections. Yes, lubricants can potentially lead to these too. Now, you might be wondering how that's even possible. Well, certain ingredients in lubricants can disrupt the body's natural balance, creating an environment that's ripe for infections. For instance, some lubricants contain glycerin, which can break down into sugars and promote yeast growth. As renowned gynecologist Dr. Jane Doe explains, the vagina has a delicate balance of good and bad bacteria. Introducing sugars can disrupt this balance, leading to yeast infections. Other lubricants might contain non-oxynol 9, a spermicide that can cause tiny tears in the mucous membranes, making it easier for bacteria and viruses to enter the body. Health expert John Doe warns, non-oxynol 9 can be particularly harmful, leading not only to infections but also increasing the risk of sexually transmitted diseases. Infections, therefore, are another important aspect to consider when choosing a lubricant. Thirdly, have you ever considered your body's pH balance when using a lubricant? It may seem a little scientific, but it's crucial to your well-being. You see, our bodies naturally maintain a delicate pH balance, especially in intimate areas. This balance is key to preventing infections and ensuring overall health. But what happens when this balance is disrupted? Some lubricants, particularly those that are not pH balanced, can cause a significant shift in your body's pH levels. This shift can lead to discomfort, irritation, or even infections. To back this up, renowned sexual health experts have pointed out the potential risks associated with the use of such lubricants. They emphasize the importance of maintaining a healthy pH balance and caution against the use of products that could disrupt this balance. So, when opting for a lubricant, it's essential to choose a product that respects and maintains your body's natural pH balance. Clearly, pH balance is another factor that can't be ignored. The fourth side effect we're looking at is reduced fertility. Yes, you heard that right. Certain lubricants have been found to hamper sperm motility, the ability of sperm to move efficiently. It's like putting hurdles on a racetrack and expecting the sprinters to maintain the same speed. Some studies have even shown that certain brands of lubricant can reduce sperm motility by nearly 50%. Now, that's something to consider. This has been backed up by fertility experts who suggest that some lubricants can create an environment that is less than ideal for sperm survival. It's like sending our little swimmers out into a harsh winter without a coat. So, if you're trying to conceive, the choice of lubricant becomes even more critical. It's not just about smooth sailing, it's about making sure the voyage leads to a destination. Remember, every choice we make can have an impact, even in the most intimate of moments. Finally, we come to an increased risk of sexually transmitted infections, or STIs. It may surprise you to know that certain types of lubricants can inadvertently raise the chances of contracting these infections. Yes, you heard that right. Renowned health expert Dr. Jane Doe explains, some lubricants, particularly those with non-oxynol 9, can cause tiny tears in the skin, making it easier for STIs to enter the body. But it's not just about the physical damage. A study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine found that lubricants with high osmolality can disrupt the natural balance of bacteria in the vagina, leading to a higher susceptibility to infections, including STIs. Remember, an increased risk does not guarantee an infection, but it's a chance many of us would rather not take. Knowledge is power, and understanding the potential risks associated with lubricants can help us make informed decisions. So, as we see, lubricants can play a significant role in STI transmission. So, we've explored the 5 potential side effects of using lubricants for smooth sex. But what does this mean for you? In our journey today, we've shone a light on allergic reactions, infections, disrupted pH balance, reduced fertility, and the increased risk of sexually transmitted infections. Each of these side effects presents a unique challenge, reminding us that our choices can have real, tangible consequences. Yet it's crucial to remember that these potential side effects don't spell out doom and gloom for everyone. Many people use lubricants without experiencing any adverse effects. The key is to stay informed and make safe and conscientious choices that align with your unique health situation. It's essential to consult with healthcare professionals before making any significant changes, especially when it comes to matters as intimate as your sexual health. They can provide you with tailored advice, taking into account your medical history, current health status, and personal preferences. In the realm of sexual health, there's no one-size-fits-all. What works for one person might not work for another. It's about finding what's right for you and your partner, always with safety and consent at the forefront. So as we wrap up this conversation, I encourage you to keep asking questions, keep seeking answers, and never shy away from discussing these important topics. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your health. Stay informed, stay safe, and keep the conversation going.